Mmm. Stamp and Go is said to be one of Jamaica's first fast food. It is essentially a crispy Chinese escallion pancake with saltfish and other Jamaican spices mixed in. You'll love this recipe. It's fast, easy, and most of all, you can have it on the go. I guess that's why they call it Stamp and Go. Let's get into it. For this recipe, all you need are a few pantry items. We have flour, water, oil, escallions, and saltfish, of course. Make sure to check out the other recipes on my channel, Sam's Food Chronicles. You won't want to miss it. You're gonna enjoy it, I promise. To start this recipe, we're gonna have to prep our saltfish. I usually use about a 1/4 pound of saltfish bone-in. You could also opt to use salted pollock as well. That one usually comes boneless. To do this, we're gonna submerge our fish in a lot of water in a bowl overnight so that the salt content can be reduced and the flesh of the fish is resaturated. However, if you're short on time, shred your saltfish first, then soak it in water for about 10 minutes before making your batter. I've already shredded my saltfish simply by using my hands. Now, let's add the other ingredients. You can add a host of ingredients in this batter. Scotch bonnet, coconut milk, tomatoes. The sky's the limit, but I like to keep it simple with saltfish and escallion as the main flavors. Remember guys, it's the month of August and in Jamaica here we're celebrating emancipation and independence. So I'm doing a series of iconic Jamaican recipes that you'll love. Make sure to check out my other recipes that I've posted. We'll have oxtail and broad beans, ackee and saltfish, escovitch fish on festival, and so many more. Be sure to subscribe and like these videos guys. I put my all into them and I think you're gonna enjoy cooking like a Jamaican. Rock out. I like to use hot water in my batter. This trick helps to develop the gluten, which makes for a gummier and crispier fritter. Feel free to take a quick taste of the batter to see if the salt content is good enough. I think it needs more salt, so I added some more, some black pepper, and I think I squeezed in a pinch of onion powder as well. Wow, look at this golden crisp. This is exactly the texture and look we're going for. We're all done, so let's take a bite. This makes me feel like dancing, guys. It's so yummy. Oniony, salty, fishy, crunchy on the outside and so gummy on the inside. I love it. addictive. I could easily like have like 10 of these. And I have here some cocoa tea with it. Oh my gosh. Wash it down nice. Remind me of being at my grandma's house in the countryside. Make sure to watch my other iconic Jamaican food tutorials coming up. You won't want to miss it. All in celebration of Jamaican Emancipendence. Bye! Thanks for watching Sam's Food Chronicles. See ya!